Have you ever wished that whipping up your favorite recipes could be as easy as clicking a button? With augmented reality, it can be. Let's dive into how this incredible technology can enhance your kitchen experience. In our fast-paced lives, more people are turning to home cooking, but some recipes can feel overwhelming. That's where augmented reality comes in. By providing real-time visuals and step-by-step guidance, it makes cooking not just easier, but also a lot more enjoyable. 1. Imagine wearing AR glasses or using your phone to see a 3D model of your recipe. You can visualize exactly how each ingredient should look and how to prepare them, which is especially helpful for beginners. 2. Augmented reality allows you to interact directly with your cooking space. Need to know how long to cook that pasta? Just check your AR app for real-time information. This engagement keeps you focused and ensures you don't miss any crucial steps. 3. Ever found yourself wondering what to use instead of an ingredient you're missing? AR can quickly suggest substitutes and provide nutritional info, so you'll always know what's going into your dish. Forget flipping through cookbooks or scrolling on your phone. AR can project instructions right in front of you, guiding you through each step hands-free. This means less mess and more concentration on your cooking. 5. Many AR apps allow you to practice cooking skills repeatedly. Want to improve your onion chopping? You can practice in a virtual setting until you feel ready to tackle it in real life. 1. Look for apps that offer interactive cooking experiences, like Cook-AR or HoloCook. 2. Start with something easy and familiar to build your confidence. 3. Follow the app's instructions to set up your AR display, ensuring your camera is aimed at your workspace. 4. Use the AR guidance step by step and enjoy the cooking process. Always be cautious with sharp knives and hot surfaces, even while using your AR device. While AR is a fantastic tool, remember to develop your own cooking instincts and techniques. Make sure all your ingredients are ready before you start. AR won't wait for you. Cooking at home can be a blast with augmented reality. So why not give it a try? Download an AR app today, pick a recipe, and start cooking like a pro. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have you ever wished for a personal chef right in your kitchen? Imagine learning your favorite recipes with the incredible power of augmented reality. Today, we're diving into how AR can transform your cooking experience. Cooking at home has become increasingly popular as more people aim to save time and eat healthier. However, following recipes can sometimes be tricky. Augmented reality can change the game, making cooking not only easier but also a lot more enjoyable. 1. Augmented reality allows you to see ingredients and cooking steps in 3D right in your kitchen. Instead of just reading instructions, you can visualize each step and how your dish should look at every stage. 2. With AR, you can access interactive tutorials that respond to your actions. Imagine having a virtual chef guiding you, sharing tips and tricks as you chop, mix, or sauté. It's like taking a cooking class from the comfort of your home. 3. Say goodbye to running back and forth to check your ingredients. AR can provide a real-time checklist, showing what you need and what you've already gathered, helping you stay organized and focused. 4. No more getting lost in complicated directions. Augmented reality overlays each step directly onto your workspace, guiding you through the process effortlessly. Point 5. Want to add a twist to your favorite dish? AR can suggest substitutions and variations based on what you have on hand, making your cooking more flexible and creative. Start by finding a user-friendly AR cooking app that fits your style. Many popular options offer interactive features just waiting for you to explore. Choose a recipe you've always wanted to try, ensuring it's compatible with your app. Clear your kitchen counter and gather your ingredients. A tidy space will make following along much easier. Follow the app's prompts and let augmented reality guide you step by step. Take your time and enjoy the process. Be sure to follow the AR prompts closely. They're designed to assist you, so skipping steps could lead to mistakes. A cluttered workspace can confuse the AR feed. Take a moment to set up before you start cooking. Always double-check your ingredient list before you begin. You don't want to get halfway through and realize you're missing something. So, are you ready to cook up some magic with augmented reality? Step into a new world of cooking where learning is interactive and fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting cooking tips and tricks. Hey there, food lovers! Have you ever wished for a personal chef to guide you through your favorite recipes? Well, with augmented reality, that dream is now a reality. Cooking at home is more popular than ever, and who wouldn't want to impress friends and family with delicious meals? Augmented reality makes it easy and enjoyable to follow new recipes by showing you each step right in your kitchen. It's like having a cooking class at home. 1.